A survey was conducted to 28 grade 7 student samples for their annual field trip. The result is as follows. This data right here can be represented using bar graph. A bar graph is a graphical representation using bars. So we can start by drawing a horizontal line and a vertical line. Then along with the horizontal line are the destinations from our given. Then the vertical line are the frequencies. So since the highest frequency in our data is 18, so in our given frequency in our bar graph should be a little bit more than the highest frequency from the given data. And after this, we are now ready to draw bars. So in Al Saif, the frequency is 4. Al Shalal, it's 18. Red Sea Mall is 3. Art Gallery is 1. Then Al Balad is 2. Then write the title, Students' Preference Destination for their annual field trip. And this is how a bar graph looks like. In given number 2, the following data shows the report of a monthly sales of a canteen from January to June 2021. So this data can be represented by using a line graph. So it is a graphical representation using lines. So same process with the bar graph, make vertical and horizontal lines. Then along with the horizontal lines are the month from our given. Then the vertical lines are the sales. So the interval is 200, 2000. So we'll always start with 0. Then after this, we can now start plotting the points. So the sales on January was 12,000. February was 12,500. March was 14,000. April was 10,000. May, that's 4,000, then June is 13,000. Then after plotting the points, you connect them using a line. Then we will start from 0. Then after connecting these points, write the title, Canteen Monthly Sales Report from January to June. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be 2021. And this is how a line graph looks like. In given number 3, the following is the data of 50 blood donors who were given a blood test to determine their blood type. So this given data right here, so these are the blood types, so type A, type B, type AB, type O, and these are the frequencies. So this data can be represented using pie graph. Okay, so first we're going to add another column to get the percentage. So to get the percentage, this is how it is being solved. Just get the frequency, divide it by the total, then multiply it by 100%. So let's start. So if the frequency is 20, divide it by the total, which is 50, times 100%, and that is 40%. In here, the frequency is 15, divided by 50 times 100%, that's 30%. If the frequency is 5, divide it by 50 times 100%, and you will get 10%. If the frequency is 10, divide it by 50 times 100%, and that is 20%. Then lastly, so make sure that the total is exactly 100%. Then lastly, we're going to get the angle of sector. So to solve it, we will just simply multiply the percentage times 360 degrees. This is the measure of one complete revolution or one full circle. So let's start. So in here, the angle of sector of this one is 40%, and that is 0.40 in decimal. Multiply it by 360 degrees, and that is 144 degrees. If the percentage is 30%, multiply it to 360, and you will get 108 degrees. 10%, that is 0.10 in decimal, times 360 degrees, that is 36 degrees. 20%, that is 0.20 in decimal, times 360 degrees, that is 72 degrees. And lastly, we're going to draw now our circle, because this is where we're going to draw our pie. Okay, so of course, we need, since angles are involved, we need a protractor here. So you can use 180 degree protractor, or like this, a 360 degree protractor. So we'll always start with a 0. So we'll plot the 0. Then the next point is 144 degrees. So from here, going here, this is 140 plus 4 units, and this is our 144. So from 144, from here, we will add 108 degrees. So 144 plus 108, that is 252. So where is 252 here? This is 250 plus 2 units, and this is the 252. Then after that, 252 added by the next angle, which is 36 degrees, and that is 288 degrees. So from here, going to 288, so this is 280. This is 285 plus 3, this is the 288, and this will be our point. And lastly, from 288, we will add 72 degrees, and that is 360 degrees. So it means from here, it will go back to 0, and that is the 360 degrees also. So after that, we are now ready to connect the points to the center. Okay? So notice that this 2D forms an angle, and the angle measurement here is 144 degrees. So from here going here, that is 108 degrees. From here going here, that is 36 degrees. Then from here going here, the angle measurement is 72 degrees. And we are now ready to label our pie chart or pie graph. So 40% are type A, 30% are type B, 10% are type AB, and 20% are type O. Then write the title, Blood Donors, Blood Type. And this is how it is represented using pie graph.